Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today I thought it would be fun to do a fall 2018 home decor video showing you guys how I'm going to decorate for 2018 and also just showing you guys some of the DIYs that I'm going to be using to decorate. So I do a lot of DIYs. If you're not new to my channel, you would know that. If you are new to my channel, I'm going to have all of my DIYs linked below that you're going to see me featuring in this video today. So I thought it would be fun to go through all of my storage because I do have these two really big buckets that are quite full of Halloween and fall decorations. This one's completely full and this one just has a few items in it, and just go through and take a look at what I have and decide what I want to use this year to decorate for fall. Now the DIY part of it is that most of these items that I have, I've done DIYs for in the past years. I would say about 1 to 2 years ago, and I really want to reuse the items that I already have that I've made, and then it'll also give me a good idea to see if there's anything else that I would like to make this year. So hope that you decide to subscribe to my channel if you're new, because I'll definitely have a few fall DIYs coming your way. So starting off with this floral fall box, this is one of my first DIYs that I ever did on my channel about 2 years ago. I absolutely love it, and I'm really excited that it has maintained its, like, everything is still put together, which is awesome because it's been in storage for a year. And yeah, this is all Dollar Tree stuff that I used to make this this beautiful decor box. So that's the first item that I think I'm definitely going to use. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to make a pile of items that I'm pretty sure I want to use, and I'm going to show you guys at the end where I actually end up displaying everything and how it looks. So this video is going to be a combination of going through all of my storage to see what I have for fall. I'm going to show the items to you. I'll let you know if it's a DIY, and if it's not, I'll tell you where I purchased the item from. And then I'm going to show you how I displayed it in my home. All right, guys, let's get started. So this is going to go into my yes category. All right, here are a few more items that I pulled out. So this was purchased from Dollar Tree. I never ended up using it, but I love these colors. They definitely have more of like the bronze color, so I'm going to use these. I think I'm going to put it in one of my florals. I'm not sure which one, but I really love the bronze color, and I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree still has these items, guys. So if you're interested in any of them, check out your Dollar Tree. These pumpkins here, super cute. These are from the Dollar Tree as well, and they do have many different colors. I might actually even have more in my bucket. I'll know later on once I go through it, but those are from the Dollar Tree, so I'm taking these out because I'm definitely going to decorate with these. This one here is not Dollar Tree. This was purchased from HomeSense, which is comparable to, if you're in the States, like TJ Maxx, for example, and I just love it. So I'm definitely going to be decorating with this as well. I totally forgot that I even had it. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this year. This is a DIY that I did. There is a candle in the center. It's a really simple DIY that I did. Again, linked below if you're interested. It has a candle in the middle that you light up. To give it that really nice glow. Can't really tell, but I used to put this in my bathroom and it just gave it that really nice extra effect. So I might put it in my bathroom again. And then this item over here is from the Dollar Tree. This is actually just a like a doorknob hanger that you can get. You can make your own as well. So it just hangs on your door, and I'm probably going to put this up as well. I also have these, what would you call these? Lanyard? Not lanyards, a garland, sorry. It's almost like garland. And they're just leaves. You can get these from the Dollar Tree, and I love using these on my fireplace mantle. So I'm definitely going to put these in my yes category. All right, moving on. Sorry guys if the lighting isn't so great. Like I said, I am in my basement, so hopefully you can see how great these colors are. So this little guy as well, I'm definitely going to use. Now this guy was from the, I believe it's Dollar Tree. I'm just trying to zoom in here. I feel like I'm 99% positive It is Dollar Tree. And yes, I'm definitely going to use that. I think I'm going to use most of the stuff that I actually made because I just love it so much. I love this as well. I tend to put this in my kitchen. Just a floral piece, and then it has this really cool can that I got from the Dollar Tree. So this is also made using items from the Dollar Tree. So this is a DIY. That'll be linked as well, but this is going to go into my yes category. And then this is probably one of my absolute favorite DIYs. It's a combination of Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, and I think there's like one item from Michael's, which is the home, but this is a DIY. I love it. I'm so sad I just saw that it broke right here, but that's okay. And it's another floral piece, but so fun to make, guys. So you can totally make your own DIYs. If you're new to the whole DIY scene, you can make such beautiful stuff, really low prices. Like this would easily at Michael's probably go for like 50, 60, maybe more. They charge such high prices for beautiful floral like this. So that's a DIY too. It'll be linked. So I'm gonna say yes to all three of these items. All right, more DIYs for you guys from the Dollar Tree. I honestly thought that I had so much fall stuff that I wasn't gonna have space to use it all, and I'm starting to think I'm gonna use all of the stuff that I've made over the last 2 years. So super excited about that because I don't know about you guys, if you ever make stuff and you use it once and then you never use it again. So I'm really excited that I think I'm going to use everything. So these are going to be a yes for me. Yeah, these are from the Dollar Tree, by the way. I love these pumpkins. I'm going to pick up some more if they have some, but these are quite heavy. They're not like your cheap little pumpkins. They're made of some kind of metal, so they're actually quite heavy. Absolutely love those. So again, that'll be linked below. So these are going into the yes category. So I also have this really pretty door wreath that I made, I think last year or the year before. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use it this year. There is a lot of red in it, so I'm not sure. I'm going to put it in my maybe category. But yes, I have a video for this as well, and this was made using items from the Dollar Tree. I did change it considering that I just made this really cute DIY. I love it so much. And I decided to put it here with the Dollar Tree pumpkin on top. And then I moved the candle up here beside the larger pumpkin. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I have to say, guys, this is probably one of my absolute favorite DIYs I've ever done. If you haven't seen the video, check it out. I'll have it linked below, unless I already posted it before this video, but everything will be linked below. guys, so just to quickly run down my fireplace mantle and how I used the decorations in this room. The garland that I showed you earlier, I showed you that, or I mentioned that I use it on my fireplace. So I just hook it onto the sides and hang it, and then I hook it in the center again. And then I use this really cute doorknob jingle, and which is for fall from the Dollar Tree, in the center. And then I use these really pretty lights, which I got from HomeSense. So anytime I mention HomeSense, it's very much like TJ Maxx in the US. I know a lot of my subscribers and people watching are from the States. So just like TJ Maxx. And that's what the bottom part of the mantle looks like. I love it. I do this every single year. So this is really where I put a lot of the color to make it pop. And then the rest of my decor is very pastel-like with a few exceptions. Now I did put little sticky notes over top of pictures just for personal and private reasons. So starting off with this really cute decor piece. I got this from Winners almost 2 years ago. It was only around $8 and I love it, and I take it out at fall time every single year. It is very Christmas-like with the sparkles, but I love using it for fall because of the browns and creams. This picture frame is always here. I got that from HomeSense. This cute pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree. So that's another pop of color I like to add. And then this gorgeous pumpkin that says blessed on it is from HomeSense. I paid around $10 for it. All of the picture frames are here throughout the entire year. This picture frame is from HomeSense as well. The two in the back, I can't remember where they're from. And then this cute little pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree. This home is where our story begins sign is from the Dollar Tree. Same with this pumpkin here. And then this is one of the DIYs that I did, which will be linked below for you. Another little pop of color. And then I have a final DIY right here. So again, all of my DIYs are going to be listed below for you. But this was made with items from the Dollar Tree. And then other than that, I have this really beautiful, I don't know what you call these. It's like a floral piece. It just stands up on the ground. And I did get this from Winners, I think about like 2 years ago. It was really inexpensive. I think it was only around between $10 and $14. And I love how it has like the oranges and browns. It's perfect for fall, but I do leave it here all year round.